everyone, this is a video to show you how you're going to draw Bohr models here on your notes. So first you're going to go to Insert, Drawing, New, and then there's a couple of different things you have to make before you kind of put your drawing together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and draw your nucleus of your atom. Because that's where your number of protons and your number of neutrons are. So we're doing nitrogen. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a circle and fill it in with whatever color you want. I don't care. I'm going to do purple because I like purple. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and make a text box, and you're going to put in the number of protons and the number of neutrons, as well as the symbol for the actual element itself. So in order to get this to fit correctly, you just need to make that box a little bit bigger. I'm going to choose a different font because it does make it a little bit smaller. It's Times New Roman. And you're going to make these just a titch bit smaller here. You can kind of arrange it however you want. This is completely up to you. But this is what I am going to do to make sure that everything's there. And number, that's where you're going to put your number of protons and your number of neutrons. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and draw out the number of shells. So using the period number on the periodic table, just like our rules say, you're going to determine the number of energy levels in the electron cloud. So nitrogen, you need to figure out what its period number is on your periodic table. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make another couple or however many circles that are going to be bigger than this right here. So if you make this transparent like this, they're going to be see-through. And so you can make these as thick or as thin as you want. You can even make them just a little bit smaller. That way you can center it, and guides will be there for you. And then once you get the number of shells that you need to go ahead and create your electrons. So again, you're going to be using the circle function. I don't care what size you use for these. Choose a color to utilize here. That's up to you guys. And you're going to count how many electrons there are, and you're going to place them correctly on the shells, just like in the previous example that I showed you. So once you do that and you finish this up, because this is not the correct answer, you need to actually figure this out yourself, because that's the practice. But once you do that, you go ahead and hit save and close. And then it'll insert your drawing in here for you. We will go ahead and go over this example together as soon as everybody's done with their notes. Let me know if you have any questions.